Actually, one lady always following us, you know. Actually, she wants to take one. Actually, people are bathing there, you know. That's why I'm not taking video there. This is a temple actually. Yesterday night we came in the same place here. Right now, too much crowd, you know. Too much crowd. It's a Pushkar or not? Just ask once. Full Pachu, full. No seat. No space.
जगह नहीं है ना
सीट है.
भैया का नो सर ये सीट दे गाली भैया मैडम को 2 जने आगे बैठ जाओ तो
Finally Pushkar. Now I am living here only for one day. Let's see. Go to Pushkar. Actually morning I heard one sound now. Actually it is from here. My room is there. 117. Actually morning there is no alarm. I didn't set alarm. I heard some sound like a bell sound. I thought what is that? Yeah. It is from here actually. This is a temple. This is a Gaudam Ashram, you know. Actually, if you want to stay here, no, just come Ajmer and just ask where is Gaudam Ashram. Otherwise, you can Google it also. Then you will get what's the benefit, you know. Actually, normal place, especially other places, no, that you will get a room. I think 2,000, 3,000 rupees. If it is in any like festival. Any festival time, na, then we will never get that much price. Maybe it's too much costly. But right now, if you are coming, especially not in the season, I am saying, off season also, if you are coming Gaudam Ashram, you will get 700 to 1,000 rupees normal price. Rooms I'll show you. Okay, rooms are 2 good rooms are there, and full rooms, you know, full area rooms are there. Then one temple is there. If you are proper Hindu. In a temple also there, and see this is a good vibe, you know. Here is one. Can you see this one? In Kerala people they can understand. Actually thing is that they kept in a pot, you know. Too good, you know. I like it too much. I slept yesterday. 700 rupees only they taken from me, and they were giving a good AC also. It was too good. Now we are just moving and. Nothing is there, just we want to see that morning bite, that's why. Actually now we came for a breakfast, you know. Breakfast after some time we will get, but then also we are taking a little bit breakfast, okay. Actually I wanted to show you, that's where the main thing, okay. Here also one shop is there. It is called Poha. No, it's a North Indian food. Now I have to bath and I have to change our dress, and after that we will go, okay. Finally I reached, okay. That is a Pushkar Ghat area, and we came from here. I am asking one of the person here, one person is there. I am asking about the place and all the things, okay. He will explain in. आपके हिंदी आती है ना?
हाँ हिंदी में बोलते हैं।
कोई बात नहीं है।
ये ब्रह्म सरोवर है। जैसे हरिद्वार में गंगा जी का जल, वैसे पुष्कराज जल का नाम। ब्रह्मा के हाथ को कर बोलते हैं, प्लस कमल का फूल पुष्कर।
You know, actually second time I'm here, then I don't know anything about history, and then I will ask. Tell me about this place.
हेलो। अभी हम पुष्कर के सबसे प्रसिद्ध और पुराने घाट गऊ घाट पर खड़े हैं। ये पुष्कर को सभी तीर्थों का राजा कहा जाता है।
हाँ हाँ
अन्य तीर्थ करने के बाद लोग जब तक पुष्कर में आके स्नान नहीं करते हैं तब तक उसका तीर्थ अधूरा माना जाता है। वैसे यहाँ पर ऐसा कहा जाता है कि ब्रह्मा जी भी यहाँ आए थे।
हाँ
उनका एकमात्र मंदिर जो है पूरे हिंदुस्तान के अंदर ओनली वन टेम्पल यहाँ पुष्कर में स्थित है।
हाँ
और इस घाट की तरह ही ये चारों तरफ अलग अलग घाट है। दैट इज अवतार ऑफ लॉर्ड विष्णु
लॉर्ड विष्णु ओके
एंड दिस इज ओल्डेस्ट टेम्पल।
ओके
एनी पिलग्रिम कैन बाथ एट एनी घाट।
ओके ओके
एंड वन थिंग दैट वाज आई टेलिंग यू
हाँ।
कि ब्रह्मा जी का एकमात्र मंदिर है।
हाँ
ब्रह्मा जी को उनकी पत्नी सावित्री देवी ने ये श्राप दिया था
हाँ
कि तुम्हारा मंदिर एक ही जगह रहेगा, क्योंकि सावित्री जी उनसे रूठ गई थी।
हाँ हाँ
किसी बात के ऊपर उनसे रूठ गई थी, वो यज्ञ कर रहे थे तो उसको पास नहीं बैठाया। तो सावित्री रूठ के यहाँ पर नजदीक एक पर्वत है, पहाड़ है, माउंटेन, उसके ऊपर जाके बैठ गई और श्राप दिया कि तुम्हारी पूजा इस पुष्कर के अलावा कहीं नहीं होगी। तो
अलग अलग टेम्पल है ना?
अलग है, दैट इज नियर पुष्कर, जस्ट 5 किलोमीटर पार।
ओके ओके
तो इस कारण से पूरे हिंदुस्तान के अंदर ब्रह्मा जी का मंदिर नहीं बना है। लेकिन इसका एक्सेप्शन केस एक आजकल बढ़ गया है। विगत 20-25 साल पहले बाड़मेर जिले के अंदर असोत्रा करके एक गांव है, असोत्रा के अंदर एक मंदिर बना है ब्रह्मा जी का। तो दैट इज सेकंड टेम्पल, बट दिस इज रेस्पेक्टेड टेम्पल।
ओके फाइन
मोस्ट रेस्पेक्टेड। दैट्स ऑल राइट। मैनी फॉरेनर विजिट्स कम एवरी ईयर। इसके अलावा यहाँ पर मेले वेले लगते रहते हैं, पूर्णिमा, कार्तिक मेला लगता है। इसके अलावा यहाँ पर इसका कैटल फेयर भी लगता है।
बट राइट नाउ पीपल आर नॉट देयर ना, वेरी लेस पीपल आर देयर।
यहाँ की आरती हो गई है, इसलिए अब अधिकतर लोग अपने अपने घरों में या होटल में जा चुके हैं। तो मैं आपको बता रहा था कि यहाँ पर कैटल फेयर भी बहुत फेमस है, जहाँ पर पूरे जिले से आसपास से घोड़े, स्पेशली घोड़े, ऊंट और अन्य कैटल खरीद और फरोख्त, परचेज एंड सेल बोथ आते रहते हैं। वेरी होली प्लेस
yeah.
एंजॉय।
Pushkar is famous place now. You know anything about history? Tell me. No idea.
Same like Papa.
Same like Papa. Even nowadays, even my age people, youngsters, we don't know anything about history. We are just coming temple and just enjoying and going back.
Tomorrow we'll come back again here and we will bath on that.
Okay.
Ghat.
Holy bath also there.
Holy bath. Yeah.
Okay.
Morning bath, no, it's too good.
Okay, fine. Okay, we will come tomorrow morning, then we will bath. I will also try. Now we are going next to one. Actually, it's too good, you know. From look at here from there. I think some people are bathing from. All people are bathing there. Ladies also, gents also there. That's why I'm not showing anything. It's a privacy matter. Okay. Now again we are going back to that same market areas. See, this is a highlight, you know. First market areas, full area market areas, you know. Then we can go from this ghat area. So many ghats are there, around 52 ghats are there. Now we have to go from, again we started. Actually I can speak Hindi also, like start kar diya, देखो like that, but it's too difficult, you know, explain. Now English is okay. Last video also already I said speaking, and now I'm speaking English and Hindi. You know why? Because of people are saying just take in English and Hindi, then we can also understand. Malayalam, I think I'm here only right now. People are speaking only Hindi and English only. That's why they said just take it. I'm having breathing problem, you know, because of step. Morning only, na, just now we completed. See the shops and everything. So many shops are there, like because of temple, no. Actually, yesterday night we came, no, same place. But see the crowd right now. People are selling so many puja items, I think. And we are going. Where we are going right now?
Take
What?
machli dana.
Actually, Dana. They are giving.
I will give.
They don't like fish, but they are feeding also. What a people. But the Kerala people, they are eating, they are feeding. That's the difference. We purchased some seed, even peanuts also we purchased. Now we are going to feed. Keep it here now. Now we have to keep chappal also. See the chappals. Yesterday we were, I think, only 2 or 3 people only, na. Now see the condition. So many chappals are there. So that much crowd area, na. See. Actually, people are bathing there, you know. That's why I'm not taking video there. This is a temple actually. Yesterday night we came in the same place here. Right now too much crowd, you know. Too much crowd. I can't show too much because of privacy matters. I can't take. Okay. Now I'm just going and holy bath. If it is okay, fine, we will bath, and otherwise we will not bath. Okay. Bath means just people are thinking just come and just bath. Na, this is a holy bath. Now we are just moving. After that I'll show you. Okay. Actually we completed and we came back again. See the shops are there. See the things. Om bhaiya is there. Namaste bhaiya. See so many dresses are there. Yesterday night we came, nothing was there. Right now see so many shops are there. Everything opened. One grandpa. House are everywhere, you know. We are just hello. हेलो मम्मा देखो मम्मा बच्चे 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 ये बच्चा बच्चे देखो बच्चा now we are going so danger man actually people are asking so many things, you know. Street people are there, no. Now I had water also from there. One lady was asking, now that lady was asking, she wants atta for making chapati, no. That's why we said okay, I'll give you only 60-70 rupees only. It's a better now. We don't want to give any kind of money. Better purchase any atta or something. No, that is okay. And family lady, no. She's having one child also. One child is there. So, we purchase atta. Okay, tata. She wants atta. Okay, fine. No issues. See the market again. Full colorful market. Okay. I thought night it's too good. No, day also too good. You know. Here not that much hot. Comparatively Jodhpur is too high. Here is okay, fine. Oh, sorry. I think day is more good, no? Right? No.
Days of course.
Daytime we can see also. We can. It's too much colorful, you know. I thought soon one lady is standing. I think it's a daytime is too good. So many shops are there. Now we are just exploring only, and after some time we will purchase something. That is a plan. So many belt, bangles. See the bangles and all the things. अभी पूरा चेंज हो गया ना? 84 के सेम है?
नहीं, there are some different.
हाँ.
Continuously developing.
Okay, okay.
And gathering is more and much.
Yeah, gathering, especially gathering is more.
And today is Gyaras.
हाँ, 11 मतलब?
Gyaras is a date in Hindu calendar.
Hindu calendar.
This is very important for the Hindus.
That's why people
They come here to take holy bath
Holy bath.
and donate something to poor and cows.
Okay. Good thing. That's why too much people in the crowd also there because of the reason. Always there. Because of foreigners also there. See, we are exploring street. Pushkar main highlight, you know, Pushkar main highlight, holy bath, temple, then market. Especially good market, you know. Everything we will get. Everything means everything we will get. Actually, one lady always following us, you know. Actually, she wants to take one. This one. It's a masmalan, you know. She is saying just give me masmalan. We don't know they will eat or not. Otherwise they will sell or not. We don't know anything. We thought okay, fine. Take it off. It's a tourist place now. They know that we are from outside. That's why they are asking. Let it be no issue. See, she's asking. Not a one, you know. So many people are coming. We are thinking, okay, let it be only 30 rupees now. No issues. Even bathing also, dogs are there now. Same place yesterday night also we came here. See, dekho. No issue, family problem. Still they are working. Now we have to see what people are doing. That is the main thing. See, people are going, especially these people are, Rajasthan people. So many. They, look at their dress and all the things, Too good, na, beautiful. So many dresses are there. Here only white, pure white dress. So cotton dresses are there. I don't know it's a traditional dress or not, but it's okay, fine. Too much costly because of they know it's a tourist place. People will come, they will purchase, and that's why they are not giving any kind of discount, It's okay, fine. Now we are going. This is a temple. See the temple. People are coming back also. Now too much rush. See the people are coming. Actually inside not allowed. That's the main problem that I can't even show you anything. See what people are doing. They are selling the puja items, See the puja items. Only 50 rupees only. They are selling. The people are coming also. This is the main Brahma temple. We have to go from here only. Videography not all. That is the main problem, Now we have to go from here. People are going now. They have some puja items also in their hand. Maybe you can see from here. And we have to go from steps also there. Inside, inside we have to go around 5 to 10 minutes we can come back. That is the main thing, Within 5 to 10 minutes we can come back. And people are going in their hand also. We can see some flower also there. They are taking from here, This one. 50 rupees only. We will give to that temple. Yesterday night we did. But what's the problem? If I'm going there again, I can't even show anything. Police also there. See the police also there. See. Police are there. No, they are waiting there. They are not allowed. Any kind of mobile we can take, but taking video photos not allowed. Then we have to keep all the things here. Actually, this shopkeepers, they will keep all the chappals and all the things. Plus your bag, all the things, they will take care of that, okay? That's no need to think anything. Let's come and just explore it out. Let's see what they are doing, okay? See. Some people are going without any puja items. That one no need. Now we have only look at the man also. He is not having anything. He can just go. That's it. Here also some dresses also there. See. Look at that one. If you want any picture, they will print. Inside printer, all the things are there, and they will print. All the things are there. See, people are going, coming back. Let them ask. Okay, they are also standing there. I am just asking. What's the plan? Any plan right now?
No, back.
No, now already.
Enjoying now.
No, we have not any work.
Ah.
We have take our lunch,
Lunch,
and
that's
then
it.
after we will go to our hotel and then after check out.
Okay, fine.
Chalo.
That's a plan already we visited. Now we are going back to again room. That's it. Nothing else. So many guards are there, So guards means like each and every market, inside one road is there. Same step also there that we can come. Then some temples are there. People are coming and they are going bathing. Holy bath is there. Then after that, they are coming and they are visiting temples, puja, something like that. In near river also, bank, that side also, they are doing some pujas and everything. Then they are coming. Then they are doing pujas and all the things. Now, right now it's around 11:15. Too much hot. Okay, I am not showing anything. People are bathing and everything. This is water. Okay. This is the thing. See, one Hanuman also there. Hanumanji also there. It's a Hanumanji temple. See one Hanumanji. I can't even show anything because people are bathing. That's main. So many chapels are there. See. Now we have to go back to again taking food, lunch. Actually lunch also there. Now we have to taste lunch. Then we will come back. This is a main highlight. Pushkar means like Pushkar is a holy place. That's why so many people are coming from different places. Now we are going. One hotel is there. See, one hotel is there. Then now we are going inside. देखो food देखो, चपाती, रायता ना?
हाँ रायता.
It's raita. It's a Rajasthan food. Raita, salad, chutney, something is there. Salad is there. Dal curry, sev tomato na?
Yeah.
Sev tomato. This what? Salad. Yeah. Potato sabji. We are having. After food we will come back. Tasty na? Tasty.
Really tasty.
Really tasty. Okay. After that we came back. Okay, it was too tasty, This is a shop. Vaishnavi Bhojan. What's your full name? Vaishnavi Bhojan.
वैष्णवी है.
हाँ वैष्णवी है. हाँ no आपने no. हाँ देखो we had थाली 120 rupees only. You will get all the things too tasty. We review. It's not a promotion video, okay? It's not a promotion video. We are giving review.
Hello.
हाँ
मैं यहाँ पुष्कर में हूँ. वैष्णवी भोजन की थाली का बारे में कुछ कहना चाहता हूँ. यहाँ पर बिल्कुल घर जैसा खाना मिला हमें 120 रुपये के अंदर और बहुत ही स्वादिष्ट खाना मिला है. नो डाउट बिल्कुल सात्विक और शुद्ध और पवित्र.
Yeah, too tasty. It's near one ghat is there, Jai Hanuman. One Hanuman ghat is there nearby only. Vaishnavi Bhojan. It's too tasty. Okay, let's move somewhere.
क्या किया जाए. विविध प्रकार की चर्चाएं आपस में सभी ऋषि मुनि महात्मा लोग कर रहे थे.
Too much attitude.
Not happy? No, she's happy. Actually, we came back. Finally, our journey also completed. Same place, okay? My dress also changed. I came here. Now we have to go back to home. That's it. I'll show you one person. One boy is there. See. What's your name? क्या नाम है?
Yes.
Actually, I was going here na 2-3 times. He was asking, are you YouTuber? That's it. आपका शॉप है? आपका शॉप है?
हाँ yeah.
Okay. Yes ना?
Yes.
Okay, yes. Okay then, bye bye. Tata. Okay. That much only. Then see you in next video. Bye.